Side hustle I wish I knew sooner, part 2, I think. But buckle up, this is gonna make you a lot of money. This is gonna be one of those things that you set and forget, so it's gonna be all passive income. So let's get into it. If we head over to Amazon.com, you can see this blank journal has been sold more than 5,000 times in the past month. They are selling this journal for $9.95, so let's do the math. They've made almost $50,000 from selling a blank journal. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity, so let me show you how to do it. You're going to head over to canva.com and you're going to create a free account. Once you have your account, you're just going to look for journal templates and you can pick the one that you like the most. I chose this design and now you're just going to add about 100 pages to your journal. And you can do this by simply clicking duplicate. Now you're just going to download your design as a PDF. You're going to head over to Amazon KDP and they're going to publish, print, and ship your book every time someone buys from you. Once you're done with that, it will take about 2 weeks for your book to be approved and published to Amazon.com. And now comes the fun part. Sit back and collect all your profits while Amazon is doing all the work. Make sure you save this video and follow me for more ways to make money online.